Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today we are going to write question number 4 and question number 6 from the exercise of unit number 8. Open your notebooks. Prepare date, write the index, draw margin lines. Question number 4 is name the kinds of energy used in. कि आपको कुछ आइटम्स दिए हुए हैं, आपने बताना है कि इसमें एनर्जी की कौन सी फॉर्म यूज़ हुई है. First one is clockwork toys. A clockwork toy, form of energy used, that is chemical energy. Chemical energy is used in clockwork toy. Second one is fan. An electric fan, form of energy used in an electric fan, that is electrical energy. Electrical energy is used in an electric fan. Third one is food. Form of energy used in food, that is chemical energy. Chemical energy is used in food. Next one is fission and fusion of atoms. First of all, I will explain you what is fission reaction and what is fusion reaction. Fission reaction. Nucleus of an atom splits into two or more smaller nuclei, that is called fission reaction. Second one is fusion reaction. The reaction in which two or more atomic nuclei are combined to form one or more different atomic nuclei, that is called fusion. फिशन में देखें, एक न्यूक्लियस इसकी ब्रेकडाउन हुई है, ये टू न्यूक्लियाई में कन्वर्ट हो गया है. इन फ्यूजन रिएक्शन टू न्यूक्लियाई कंबाइन हुए हैं और एक न्यूक्लियस बन गया है. In simple words, what is fission reaction and what is fusion reaction? फिशन कहते हैं एटम्स का टूटना और फ्यूजन कहते हैं एटम्स का आपस में कंबाइन होना. फिशन होता है एटम्स का टूटना और फ्यूजन होता है एटम्स का आपस में कंबाइन होना. अब हम देखेंगे कि फिशन एंड फ्यूजन ऑफ एटम्स, इसमें एनर्जी की कौन सी फॉर्म यूज़ हुई है. न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी. न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी इज़ यूज्ड इन फिशन एंड फ्यूजन ऑफ एटम्स. Second one is sound waves. Sound waves, form of energy used, that is sound energy. Sound energy is used in sound waves. Next one is fossil fuels. In fossil fuels, kind of energy used, that is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is used in fossil fuels. फॉसल फ्यूल कोई भी है, चाहे वो गैस है, चाहे वो पेट्रोल है, कोई भी है, उसमें कौन सी एनर्जी यूज़ होगी, दैट इज़ न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ ए बॉल ऑन अ शेल्फ. It has gravitational potential energy. When ball on a floor, then it has kinetic energy. When we put a ball on a shelf, then it has gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is used in a ball that are placed on the shelf. Next one is a moving car. Form of energy used in a moving car, that is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is used in a moving car. Last one is a light bulb. A light bulb, form of energy used in a light bulb, that is electrical energy. Electrical energy is used in a light bulb. मैं एक दफ़ा रिपीट कर दूँ. नेम द काइंड्स ऑफ एनर्जी यूज्ड इन, कि आपको कुछ आइटम्स दिए हुए हैं, आपने बताना है कि इसमें एनर्जी की कौन सी फॉर्म या कौन सी काइंड यूज़ हुई है. इस तरह से आपने 2 कॉलम्स ड्रा करने हैं. फर्स्ट कॉलम में आइटम्स लिखना है एंड सेकंड कॉलम में काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी यूज्ड इन. फर्स्ट वन, ए क्लॉकवर्क टॉय. Chemical energy is used in a clockwork toy. Second one is food. In food, kind of energy used, that is chemical energy. In sound waves, sound energy is used. Next one, a ball on a shelf. Gravitational potential energy is used in a ball that is placed on a shelf. Next one is a light bulb. An electrical energy is used in a light bulb. An electric fan. Electrical energy is used in an electric fan. Next one is the fission and fusion of atoms. Nuclear energy is used in the fission of atoms and fusion of atoms. Fossil fuels. Chemical energy is used in fossil fuels. Last one is a moving car. Kinetic energy is used in a moving car. Question number 6 is fill in the table to show the energy input and output to some useful energy converters. First of all, I will explain you what is input energy and what is output energy. Input refers to the amount of energy put into a device. This is called input energy. Second one is output energy. Output refers to the amount of energy that comes out. कि इनपुट एनर्जी क्या होती है, जो उस डिवाइस में मौजूद होगी। दैट अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी इज कॉल्ड इनपुट एनर्जी। इस तरह से आपने 3 कॉलम्स ड्रा करने हैं। इन फर्स्ट कॉलम यू विल राइट कन्वर्टर्स, इन सेकंड कॉलम you will write energy input, and last column you will write energy output. First one is radio. Energy input is chemical or electrical. Energy output in radio is sound energy. Chemical or electrical energy converts into sound energy. Second one is television. A television converts electrical energy into sound and light energy. Energy input in television is electrical energy, and energy output in television is sound and light energy. Third one is electric drill. An electric drill changes electrical energy into sound and heat energy. Energy input in electric drill is electrical energy, and energy output in electric drill, that is sound and heat energy. Next one is washing machines. Washing machine changes electrical energy into mechanical energy. Energy input in washing machines is electrical energy, and energy output in washing machine is mechanical energy. Next one is calculator. A calculator changes electrical energy into mechanical energy. Energy input in calculator, that is electrical energy, and energy output, that is mechanical energy. Next one is iron. An electric iron changes electrical energy into heat energy. Energy input in an iron, that is electrical energy, and energy output in an iron, that is called heat energy. Light bulb. Light bulb converts electrical energy into heat and light energy. Energy input is electrical energy and energy output in a light bulb, that is heat and light energy. Last one is telephone. Telephone converts electrical energy into sound energy. Energy input in telephone, that is electrical energy, and energy output in telephones, that is sound energy. Diary. Classwork did question number 4 and question number 6 from page number 107 of textbook on notebooks. Question number 4 and question number 6 आपने अपने नोटबुक्स पे लिखना है। होमवर्क क्या है? रिवाइज क्लास वर्क। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 जो आपने क्लास वर्क में लिखा है, होमवर्क में आपने उसको रिवाइज करना है।